Learn how to make dehydrated strawberries that you can eat for a healthy snack, use in baking, or use as a cocktail garnish. You can make these easy treats with a dehydrator or in your oven. Start with fresh, ripe strawberries that have been washed thoroughly and dried. Remove the stems and cut each strawberry into thin slices using a sharp knife, about 1/8 of an inch thick. You want the slices to be as similar in size and thickness as possible so that they all dry at the same rate. Fill all of the levels of the dehydrator with the strawberry slices, making sure to leave room around each one so that the air can circulate them. Place the lid on the dehydrator and set it to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take anywhere from 6 to 10 hours for the strawberries to fully dehydrate. Start checking them around 6 hours. You want them to be just a little rubbery but not wet. They will become crispy once they cool. Store the dehydrated strawberries in a sealable container in a cool, dark place or freeze them for later. Find the full recipe along with the instructions on dehydrating strawberries in the oven at emilyfabulous.com.